Hi everyone, my name is Valentine and together with Sheetgo I'm going to show you all the cool stuff that you can do with spreadsheets. This Gradebook template by Sheetgo is a simple spreadsheet template where you can fill out the grades of your students and have a clear overview of how well they're performing. We are in the instructions tab. Every one of our templates has this instructions tab for you to read through how to use the template, and here is where you start using it. We have the grading scale, so you can fill out here what grade matches the percentage. So you simply change this if you like. We have a curve here. And here's some extra information regarding this curve. So it's only advisable if you have a certain number of students that can pass, or when you require a fixed distribution of grades distributed throughout the class. So this is how it works. Read through it, fill this out, change it if you like. But then the next step you do is simply go into the Gradebooks tab. As you can see here, you have your gradebook of your class. You start by removing this sample data. As you can see, we have filled out the names of a class here. You change this, of course, with your own class students. And then we have the assignments in this row, the assignments or exams. You fill this out as well, regarding your schedule, of course, and the weighting of each assignment. So the homeworks each have 50 and the exam then has 200. So it's 8 times more important than homework. This is how it works. And then you simply fill out the white areas of this spreadsheet. So you have a tab here, an extra note here, validation. So you enter the percentage of this student that performed for this homework or this exam. That's how you do. And here, so it's between 50 and 100%, or an E for excused. And a failing grade, so a grade less than 50%, is still recorded as 50%, so that one F and one A averages to a C instead of averaging to an F, of course. So you simply fill all of this out and the template will automatically calculate the class average of this homework, of each homework and each exam. And if everything is filled out, then you see per student their total grade, their total percentage. So this is the top of the class. Adam performed super well on each and every assignment and exam, 100%. You can see this for each student, their average percentage and their grade. So this is how you use this template. You have 2 extra tabs, export grades data and export assignments data. These are tabs that will simply, again, summarize the grades of your students and the assignments and their weight and the class average. So here you have a visual overview of your students' performance and your class average. These are protected, so you can't edit them because they automatically come from your gradebook, of course. So this is how you use this simple gradebook template. So with Sheetgo, you can connect all of your class's gradebooks to one master spreadsheet where you can manage the performance of all your students and all your classes. If you are interested in this automated system, please go into the link in the description and we'll make sure to help you and show you how to achieve this with Sheetgo. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tools, videos, templates to hack your productivity and make your life easier. Thank you so much.